Hello all, good morning. Today I am going to show you how to make Atta Naan pizza bombs. So first I will show you how to make a dough for Atta Naan. So I am taking 1 cup of whole wheat atta. In 1 cup I am taking 1/4 cup of curd. So this naan will be made without any yeast. So it's very good for health without maida and whole wheat naan. So I am taking 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I am taking half tablespoon of baking powder and just 1/4 a pinch of baking soda, and you need at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Make it a dough like chapati dough. How you make a dough for chapati. So for this you have to use warm water. So this tastes very good. You don't even feel like you are eating a wheat naan. It is very healthy option to, uh, for a Maida naan. See, you have to make a ball and just rest it for 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, I am preparing a filling, pizza filling. So I am taking 2 tablespoons of oil, and I have chopped the orange capsicum, red capsicum, and some mushroom for the filling. If you have sweet corn, it adds even good flavor, but I don't have. So if you have the sweet corn, please add sweet corn. So I'm just, you have to cook, you no need to cook it completely. Leave them little crunchy veggies. Cook them until they become like 50% taste. So these are the best pocket pizzas to offer for kids. So in that case they will even um, feel like they are having pizza, and they will have a lot of veggies, so that cravings for pizza will be satisfied. So at this stage I am adding a tablespoon of sugar, and tablespoon of salt. Add some salt. Adding oregano, so I'm adding basil crumb, so I'm adding mixed herbs, these are done. So filling is almost done. So if you have the garlic powder and onion powder, you can even use them. So now I will show you the procedure how to make naan pizza bombs. So I have to take a small dough. Flatten it. Now apply pizza sauce to this. Now take the filling and now add mozzarella cheese, pizza cheese. See? Now we have to do just like momos. You know how to tie the momos, right? In this way, just fold it and bring it together. Just give a little press. See, like this. So on top, if you have kalonji seeds, garnish with the kalonji seeds, but I don't have, so I'm garnishing with little sesame. See, like this. Just give it a little press so that they won't fall down. So you can make all their pocket bombs like that. So I have made all my naan pizza pockets. So now what you have to do, you have to brush with water the back side of the pockets. You can use the milk or water, but brush it enough, a good amount of water. I mean, it should be wet enough. And the other thing is, like, it is important for the tawa to be hot enough. See, so that it will stick. And you have to place the pocket here and press it. And I am repeating the same procedure here. I am brushing with water, back side, and you have to press this. Now you have to flip the tawa. Don't keep very near to the flame, it will burn. So just move it like this. Keep on moving the pan. and keep it little higher. They're almost done. So you can see this is done. So here are the naan pizza bombs. Just brush with little ghee or butter. So here are they. So I'll show you one inside how it looks like. So please do try in your home and let me know how it turned out. Uh, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.